Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Model Cars and Coffee. It's not Sunday morning, but it is Sunday. So, for this edition, I wanted to show you guys an RX-7 that I have here right in front of me. This one is one that was built by my friend Slowy Models, all the way in Australia. He surprised me by gifting me this some years back. I was able to take it with me out to NNL West and Slice of the West. So this here is a model that I will hold in my collection for many years. I cherish it, knowing that my friend took the time, he worked on it, he had a vision, he put it together, and then as much as he loves this model and he enjoyed it, he decided to give to me, and that means a lot to me to have a model because you know how it is, guys. We spend a lot of time working on these models. We also spend money and everything. And sometimes it's really hard for us to make that decision and give something away. So coming from him, it means a lot to me. And, this car, I just love the colors. I love the stance, the wheels, the Veilside, everything about this model. I love it right there. So there's the side view. Here's another side view right here for you guys. I really love this car. And man, like it's always a nice thing, a nice feeling to get a model from someone. But this RX-7, it's an Aoshima kit. If you guys ever come across it, the RX-7 Veilside, man, it's a dope kit. I recommend it to anybody out there. And also along with the Sunday Model Cars and Coffee, I wanted to show you guys this. So check it out. I also picked up some bags and boards for my magazines. I've been, stacking up, collecting my magazines, capturing all the model car culture and stuff. And I've been putting everything in a box. So I was like, man, I got to really protect these magazines. And back then I used to collect comic books. I used to do the bags and boards for the comic books. But I was like, wait a minute, what do I need? What am I missing? And it was the bags and boards, but for magazines. So I got my hands on some. So I have them here. And later I will be sharing with you guys the new magazines and just things that come in general. But I hope you guys had a good Sunday. And, we're gearing up for tomorrow, Monday, get the week started. So everyone take care. Have a good night. And we'll see you on the next one. All right. Peace out. Later.